Hi viewers, welcome back to my tutorial. Hope you are doing well. So hope you watch my previous video and also saved my playlist. So this is my second video for my new playlist. In this video I brought new thing. What kind of thing I am creating today's tutorial? In today's tutorial I am creating movie poster design. In this tutorial, one thing I involved, like what kind of thing, in this movie poster design I am creating for clients in Fiverr. So clients demand is that to create movie poster. So now in this tutorial I am creating movie poster. So let's go to our tutorial. So yes viewers, now we are on screen. First I will take A4 size because client wants to print this poster. So now I am taking A4 size, just create it. So this is our original size. So first I what I many just four images I will use in this movie poster, and some text are there, and otherwise poster is very easy. So first this is our my background picture. I will take this picture. Just first align it, then press Ctrl T, increase its size, increase it, and little bit move it. Okay, and then I will take these three pictures at a time. I will take, and there I will align. First, I want to align this one. Ctrl T, increase its size, increase it, and then same tips you apply here. Then put on it. Okay, then this one, Control T, you have to press it. Same trick I am applying here, and nothing else. If you are confusing what I am doing this, no, nothing else. It is very easy. Again, put Control T. I want to resize it little bit. I want to resize it, and then increase its size. Then select all. At a time, we have to increase its size at a time. Okay, so now it's better. And then I will take I will take these text clients already gave to me, so that's why I am not creating on my own on live video, so that it also takes time. But the reason is that clients don't like when I put points on my side, so that's why. Otherwise nothing is for me. Okay, and increase its size, and then see this text is not visible. So what can I do? First I will click this image, then come to filter. I want blur this image. Gaussian blur it, blur it. See, little bit better, but I want to little bit decrease its opacity, but opacity is not the good option. And just I want to like this, little bit move it. Now it's good. And then little bit decrease its size, little bit. We have to I want to decrease it, and now our poster is ready. Just less things are remaining. Drag this, increase its size, increase it, and then increase this one. Now it's better. Okay, and I want to align this text also. Wait, little bit something happened bad. Just drag it down. Now our poster is ready. See? Yes, viewers, this is my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed in my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I brought many new things. Hope you understand easily. If you don't understand anything, you can put your question on my comment box, and you can follow me on my social media accounts. Links are available on description box. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it and press notification button. At last, again, I will tell you, save my playlist. A lot of Photoshop tutorial will be there in future soon, so you can watch easily. So this is for today. Bye bye.